What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What is your dad's name?
My dad's name is Farid.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one little brother.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries the most.
What games do you like to play?
I like playing hide and seek.
What do you wear when it's cold?
I wear a warm jacket and a hat.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Peppa Pig.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a red bicycle.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast in the morning.
What is your mom's job?
My mom is a teacher at a school.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and then watch TV.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading funny stories.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a police officer.